Welcome back to the Rider Pro. Today, we're taking a first look at the 2026 Suzuki TU250X, a modern classic that revives everything riders loved about the original: simplicity, charm, and reliability, now updated for today's roads. Design and styling: the 2026 TU250X keeps its timeless retro silhouette, complete with a round headlamp, analog-inspired gauges, and a slim tank profile. Suzuki has refined the frame lines, tightened the stance, and added subtle modern touches like LED lighting while still keeping the vintage spirit intact. Engine and performance powering: the new TU250X is a fuel-injected 249cc single-cylinder engine tuned for smooth, predictable torque. Suzuki optimized the combustion system and reduced vibration, giving riders a more refined feel. It's still lightweight and easy to manage, perfect for beginners and experienced riders who appreciate simplicity. Tech and features: while it stays true to its retro roots, the 2026 model finally brings in modern necessities. ABS is standard, updated LED lighting, revised digital analog instrument cluster, improved fuel efficiency and emission compliance. These upgrades keep the TU250X relevant without losing the analog charm fans adore. Ride experience: out on the road, the TU250X continues to shine with its approachable seat height, nimble handling, and predictable throttle response. It's a commuter, a weekend cruiser, and a beginner-friendly bike all in one. The light chassis and improved suspension make city riding a breeze while still offering comfort on longer trips. Price and availability: Suzuki aims to keep the TU250X affordable, staying true to its reputation as one of the best budget-friendly classics on the market. Pricing and availability will vary by region, but Suzuki plans to roll it out globally by mid-2026. Outro that is our first look at the 2026 Suzuki TU250X, a perfect blend of old-school charm and modern upgrades. If you're into retro motorcycles or just want a simple, reliable daily rider, this may be the bike to watch. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment what you think of the new TU250X. See you in the next ride.